All right, so we're back. Got two things to do, which is one, put the transfer case in, and the car's movable, and two, quickly clean up so I can get the car out. That's it. So let's finish it up, get it back on the ground.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong, why you never said you felt that way. Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Well, this is where the transfer case goes.
As you
Right
fade
here,
away.
into the drive shaft. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Got the transfer case in. Now we're gonna get this thing back on the ground, start it up, pull it out. I'm gonna clean up, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. That's the boring stuff.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade
Get this bumper on. Let's get it started. Battery's dead. BRB.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me
Well,
what's wrong.
it's tidied up but not cleaned out. It's good it's gonna get for today. It's cold and windy. I don't feel like doing anything. I moved it. It moves on its own juice. Thanks for watching. Next time is dyno. Dyno. Let's go.
fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the
Well,
way
this
you
was a
look
short
at me,
video.
such a disgrace.
Going back to the
I
storage
never
unit.
really
I hope you
asked to
enjoyed.
be
It
brought
was
into
just
this place.
drop the car
You
down,
wanna
it
love
moves,
me?
we're
Well,
good to
then
go.
baby,
Let's
I have
get
a
it.
taste